हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू यू इन हेमंत सर क्लासेस। बच्चों, आज अपने क्लास 10th के मैथमेटिक्स के एक चैप्टर कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में हम लोग सेक्शन फार्मूले के बारे में जानेंगे। और देखिए, सबसे पहले हम थोड़ा फंडामेंटल्स डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि सेक्शन फार्मूला होता क्या है। देखिए, अगर एक गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट है जो दो डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करती है और देयर इज अ पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन सेगमेंट दैट डिवाइड्स द लाइन इन अ पर्टिकुलर रेशियो m1 रेशियो m2, देन to find the coordinates of the point we use section formula. For example, जैसे कि यहाँ दिखाया गया है, this is a line and these are the 2 points। और आइए इसे जनरल फिगर को देख लेते हैं। This is a line segment, these are the 2 points and this line, there is a point on the line that divides this line in m1 ratio m2. Then to find the coordinates of this particular point, how do you find the coordinates? Using section formula m1 x2 plus, this is the x coordinate, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and this is y coordinate, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let us see the implementation of this formula using an example. एक एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर करते हैं और देखते हैं किस तरीके से इसे हम यूज करते हैं। The example says, find the coordinate of the point that divides the line segment joining the points -1, 2 and 3, 4 in the ratio 2:3. Then to begin with, how do you start the solution? आपने एक लाइन सेगमेंट खींचनी है, उसके दो एक्सट्रीम एंड्स पे आपने इनिशियल और फाइनल पॉइंट रखना है, a and b. इट इज -1, 2, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 होंगे और the final point is your 3, 4 x2 y2, and let us consider this is the point, required point that divides this line in 2:3, which is m1 ratio m2, and the coordinates of the point are x and y. Then using section formula, the x coordinate is given as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. इसकी वैल्यू को इन्हें रिप्लेस करते हैं इनकी वैल्यू से। m1 is your 2 from the figure, x2 is your 3, so it is your 2 into 3 plus m2 x1. What is your m2? 3. What is your x1? -1. So 3 into -1 divided by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3. So this is your 3 into 2, 6 minus 3 divided by 5, so it comes out to be 3 upon 5 is the x coordinate. To find the y coordinate, we use the simple formula, replace m1 y2, m1 is your 2, y2 is your 4 plus m2 is your 3, y1 is your 2 divided by m1 plus m2. So with calculation it comes out to be 14 upon 5. So it is a very simple formula, and using this formula relation you can easily find the coordinates of the point that divide a line segment joining two particular points. So students, I think the section formula should be clear to you. You can attempt such more problems with your textbook and from your reference book, and in this class I put an end up to here. See you in the coming classes with more interesting problems of the coordinate geometry, and I would like to share, if you like these classes, do like, share and subscribe to obtain more useful uploads, because in the coming time you are going to be benefited with my classes. So student, this is for the day. Take care. Bye.